Party people, let's go.
Park ENT, Rush Events, Weber Promo, and Expedia present End of Summer 2014 meets Hyperactive World, the Cooler Edition. Saturday, September 27th at Agape Center Outdoors. And it's gonna be hosted by Lyrical.
Yo, Atlanta is all about the end of summer affair, and me, Lyrical, I will be there hosting live.
Popeye Kasha.
You already know it's your boy Popeye Kasha, and may I come for turn up Atlanta.
And Dagger Squad. Music by Gary Chuck,
Mr. Nutty Friday,
Renaissance Disco, Super Sound, Chord Red, Slaughter Tour, One Drop, and Niggas Spiritual. Buy your $20 advance tickets at your neighborhood restaurant or store, or at ParkENTOnline.com/ticket. For info, call 404-246-0709. It's End of Summer 2014 meets Hyperactive Red, the Cooler Edition.
So make sure you bring your cooler.
And it's gonna be hosted by Lyrical, Popeye Kasha, and Dagger Squad. Saturday, September 27th at Agape Center Outdoors, 6420 Old Hillendale Drive, Lithonia.
Yo, Cock Entertainment.